Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. Here, we will replace the dead battery in a newer style key fob from a push-button or keyless start Acura with a fresh one. We'll need the help of a very small screwdriver or a coin, and we'll also need a new CR2032 battery. The fob needs to be split into its two halves. To start, the mechanical key will need to be removed. Look for this small slide lever on the back of the fob, slide it to the side, and pull the key ring end, and we have the key. Note the gap used by the mechanical key. You could twist a large coin in this gap to separate the halves, as we did with this older model fob. We actually used the small screwdriver wrapped in a cloth to prevent scratches. With an even newer fob, this will result in the back of the fob being removed. In using the screwdriver, we went to the other side to finish separating the halves. With the button side down, we find the battery, our CR2032, with its markings up. The small screwdriver will be used to get beneath it. Slip the new battery in with its markings up, starting at the deep end of the fob. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery, if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, it can be quite slippery in the cloth. If you make a final move with the finger, wipe the battery down once again. The two halves of the fob snap back together easily. And it set off the alarm. A look at the buttons reveals that the panic button is out of place. Acura actually cautions that this can happen, so check before snapping the fob back together. A quick reopen and realignment, and again connect the two halves of the fob. No alarm. Return the mechanical key, then test the locks. And you'll be ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube, subscribe to this channel, or go to DashboardSymbols.com.